the Mystic Manor. We're heading in to Mystic Manor. Hey!
Thank you.
And this is Hong Kong's Haunted Mansion. Oh wow. It's a very fancy little model of it right there.
Out there from back in the projection room. Welcome to Mystic Manor. 歡迎大家嚟到迷你大宅 home to a world-class collection of art, antiquities, and my personal residence. I am Lord Henry Mystic. The young fellow at my side is Albert, my traveling companion, confidant, and rather mischievous partner. Yes, Albert, that's you. Now run along. Well, for several years now, Albert and I have traveled the world in search of rare and precious artifacts for you to enjoy as you tour our home in Mystic Manor. These are just a few of our treasures. And here's our latest acquisition, an ancient music box. Legend has it that this charming music box has the power to bring inanimate objects to life with the touch of its enchanting music. Superstition and nonsense. Oh my. Well, we shall see when we open it, shan't we? Albert, who's a little fellow who can't keep his hands off that music box. Yes, you like that box, don't you? We'll examine it later. Now, shoot. Now, what was I saying? Oh, yes. Welcome, one and all, to Mystic Manor. I better go find the little beggar. He's always up to something.
请注意脚下，上车后请不要离开座位，请不要转头。
Our ride vehicle's coming in.
It's cool he popped up the top.
That is awesome.
I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic Manor. Cheerio!
I really like that.
Please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit the carriage to your left. Thank you.
Now we're heading down into the gift shop. Some of the Mystic Manor shirts. Can't get the little monkey version of him. Oh, and they have headbands of him too, of Albert. Yeah. Some of their pins. Little bag charm. Oh, and these are little kid socks. Ah, and there's some Albert socks. He is right there. Little bag of them. We got some food of them too. Some cups.
So we just got off Mystic Manor, which is right behind us, and this is Hong Kong's version-ish of the Haunted Mansion, because they don't really do like ghosts.
They're not
and
into
dead
ghosts.
things.
Yeah. Their culture's against it or something.
Yeah, it's a little bit different. But having said that, this ride was, I don't even have the words. Like, I always say stunning and amazing. There's got to be something better than that. I just don't know what it is.
It was very well done.
It was so good, you guys. Like, it was a trackless ride, so it's not like the, pardon me, it's not like the Doom buggies that are continuous, because it's more like Mickey and Minnie's or something like that, the way the track works. But oh my god, the characters were so cute, you guys, and I like started to tear up at one point just because, like,
the monkey's super cute.
Oh.
I wasn't to say that there's a lot that leads to the Haunted Mansion in it, but I would say the suits of armor inside it are about the closest thing that kind of lead back to the other attraction.
Yeah, and it's not, there's no like cobwebs and things aren't like, it's definitely different feel because
it has
again,
a lot of laser effects.
It does, cool. And nearly everything moves in there.
Yeah.
Nearly everything, like the pictures on the wall, and I don't mean just like that they sort of do a different scene, like they actually pop out at you and things like that.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it is just one of the coolest things, aside from Beauty and the Beast at Tokyo Disney, that I have ridden at a Disney park.
Yeah, I would say this is my second favorite trackless ride. The Beauty and the Beast is the best. This one, second best.
I agree, and even though it's hard to compare it to Haunted Mansion, like, I can't believe these words are coming out of my mouth. I might kind of like it a little better, actually.
Well, it's like a new modern version of it.
Yeah,
it's really cool.
It's just crazy how good it is. So this is an absolute, like, must do. Now, we got here as soon as this section of the park opened, and we walked right on. We did not even wait. I don't know if that's a typical thing here, but just so you know, I would rope drop it probably. If you want it, because we're gonna definitely have to ride it more than once. I mean, like,
we will be riding it again.
It's crazy. So, just if you come here, you have to do it. You have to.
And here's Mystic Manor at night.